Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn grid art, graph art. But before that, let me introduce lines, shapes, how to use it, how to use that grid. Okay, so first you should know the importance of line. So there's a two type of lines. First, geometrical. You can say man-made. And another one is natural, or you can say organic. Okay, so first man-made means here you can use vertical line, slanting line, horizontal line. तो ये geometrical lines हो गए. And what about organic lines? Look like a water waves, like a cloud line. So what is the difference between these? These lines can measure with scale, but these can't. ये हम लोग measure नहीं कर सकते. Okay. So here I want to show shapes. Means you know very well square, triangle, circle, etc. Rectangle, pentagon, hexagon, and organic and natural, which is made by nature, like a clouds or like leaves. So you can see the difference. यहाँ पे हम लोग measure कर सकते हैं. यहाँ पे you cannot measure each and everything with minute detail. So there is a difference between geometrical and natural. Okay, so first how to draw grid or how to use grid. So first I made here some grid. You can observe it carefully. यहाँ पर if I divide square into 5 equal parts, here you can see I divided already 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These 5 parts में मैं ड्राइंग करता हूँ. ऑब्जर्व केयरफुली. So first I use horizontal then vertical, and I'm trying to make shape. So here you can see now you can see here in that small square inside there is no lines, but you must able to assume a line is there and you must able to prepare these shapes. So square कितना भी छोटा हो या बड़ा हो, you must able to handle it. You can see both are look like a same. Here also I want to dividing this square into 5 equal part. I'm just making it dark. I can use slanting lines. You can see a diagonal line. So with the help of slanting line and diagonal line, we can create a pattern or design. See, the same thing I'm going to do in small square, जहाँ पर छोटे छोटे parts दिखाई नहीं देते हैं, but I'm going to assume that things it is there. Okay, you must able to recognize these things. Now here you can see with the help of 5 equal parts I can create circular. So but here you have to take center point, then you have to do circle with the help of radius. तो यहाँ पर how I am using these grids ऑब्जर्व इट केयरफुली. सो सेम वे छोटे वाले पार्ट में भी मैं ये करता हूँ. Here also you can see so these things you must able to do yourself. कि छोटा स्क्वायर हो बड़ा स्क्वायर हो उसमें हम लोगों को ज्योमेट्रिकल शेप्स ड्रॉ करने आने चाहिए. अभी यहाँ पर मैंने स्क्वायर को 5 पार्ट में डिवाइड किया था. Now I want to divide that square in 4 equal part. So here you can see. And I'm going to create diamond shape. So here you can see the diamond shape. तो यहाँ पे there is a supporting lines. We can assume there is a 4 part is there, so we can draw symmetrically. Okay. लेकिन यहाँ पर there is no line, there is no division. फिर भी I can assume and I can create the diamond shape. So this is the beauty of this art form. Here you can see once again I am going to divide this square in 4 equal parts. And इसमें हाफ में मैंने ट्राइंगल लिया. You can convert look like a face. So here I can assume the things. So first trial and error basis you must able to think. Okay, now I'm going to again dividing this square into 4 equal parts. तुम्हें दिख रहा होगा मैं सिर्फ जो ड्राइंग है उसे आउटलाइन कर रहा हूँ. So you must able to create a pattern, create a design. It looks like a same to same fish, लेकिन यहाँ पर वो triangle attach नहीं है. Here also it is very simple to draw square in 4 equal parts. So here you can observe it carefully. Whenever you are doing grid art, you must do this type of things. पहले practice, warm up, exercise is important. तो यहाँ पे you can see semicircle is there. So that whole thing I'm going to cover with black. Now there is a small square. तो मैं यहाँ पर you can observe it carefully. So ये चीज आना जरूरी है. Okay. Even नीचे भी देखो. If I'm going to divide that square in 3 equal parts. तो यहाँ पर एक स्क्वायर बड़ा एक स्क्वायर छोटा and remaining there are 2 rectangle. So somewhere you have to assume all these things. Same here. If I'm to divide into 3 equal parts, I can create any shape. So it looks like a L and you can see white square is there. So you must able to create pattern. Here you can see I'm trying to create a flower kind of thing. So this is a warm-up exercise. You have to do it. That creativity is going to be built in this activity. So somewhere without supporting lines, you must able to assume these lines are there. Thank you.